Hello, my name is Yulia Rasoshka. Today I would like to present to you Wechsler Individual Achievement Test 3rd edition. One of the most important parts of assessment in the special education process is to assess academic achievement. We, the teachers, must be able to provide our students with adequate educational experience, promoting their educational and personal growth. Subsequently, to create an appropriate IEP, students' knowledge, abilities, and skills must be assessed, leading to a creation of adequate and appropriate individual curriculum. This presentation will discuss Wechsler Individual Achievement Test 3rd edition. The Wechsler Individual Achievement Test 3rd edition is a comprehensive academic achievement test that measures listening, speaking, reading, writing, and mathematics skills. Wechsler Individual Achievement Test 3rd edition mainly concentrate on the academic achievements in the following area: listening, speaking, reading, writing, and mathematics skills, and can be administered in many different facilities, for example, clinical, educational, and research settings, including schools, clinics, private practices, and residential. In order to appropriately identify students' strengths and weaknesses, it is at most important to accurately administer Wechsler Individual Achievement Test. The test can inform and aid appropriate intervention planning, as well as the creation of adequate and student-oriented IEP. Furthermore, the results of the test can assist decision-making regarding eligibility for educational services and/or diagnosis of a specific learning disability. Subsequently, if WIAT 3rd edition is misinterpreted or is not accurately administered, can lead to improper student identification and misplacement, ultimately causing students to receive inadequate education and intervention. The WIAT 3rd edition is classified as a Level B measure and may be administered and interpreted by psychologists and non-psychologists who have undergone formal training in standardized psychological or educational testing. WIAT 3rd edition can be administered to children age 4 to 50 years and 11 months, and grade from pre-K through 12. The WIAT 3rd edition consists of the following sub-tests. Listening comprehension. The student listens to vocabulary words and points to a picture that illustrates each word. Oral expression. The student is shown pictures and is asked to name the concept shown in each picture. Reading comprehension. The student reads passages aloud or silently under on-time conditions and then answer open-end questions. Pseudo-decoding. The student reads aloud a list of increasingly difficult nonsense words. Word reading. The student reads aloud a list of increasingly difficult words. Oral reading fluency. The student reads passages aloud and then orally responds to comprehension questions. Sentence composition. The student combined the information from 2 or 3 sentences into single sentences that mean the same things. And then the student write meaningful sentences that use specific words. Essay composition. The student writes an essay within a 10 minutes time limit. Spelling. The student writes single words that are dictated within the context of a sentence. The WIAT 3rd edition consists of the following subtests continued. Math problem solving. Depending upon the grade and ability level of the student solves untimed math problem related to basic skills. Numerical operation. Depending upon the grade and ability of the student solves untimed written math problem in the following domains: basic skills, basic operation with integers, geometry, algebra, and calculus. Math fluency addition. The student solves written additional problems within a 60 seconds time limit. Math fluency subtraction. The student solves written subtraction problems within a 60 seconds time limit. Math fluency multiplication. The student solves written multiplication problems within a 60 seconds time limit. Subtests are not all age and grades applicable. Therefore, based on the student's ability and knowledge level, the appropriate tests are given. Furthermore, based on the diagram below, the subtest can be selected based on the age and grades appropriate audience. Each subtest has its own scoring rules, which are provided with the test. Furthermore, the majority of the subtests are scored using the following criteria: 0 for incorrect answer, 1 for correct answer, and DK for answer left blank, or if the participant did not know the answer. When students have to be tested on the academic strengths and weaknesses, as well as the eligibility for special educational services, educational placement, and/or a diagnosis of specific learning disability has to be determined. WIAT 3rd edition is the test to administer. WIAT 3rd edition covers the majority of the achievement areas covered within the idea. Furthermore, the test provides analysis of current educational abilities of the students, allowing for proper identification and implementation of appropriate IEP. Furthermore, WIAT 3rd edition allows for adequate data collection of students' educational and personal growth and progress, based on which modifications to the IEP and/or interventions could be made, creation and individual curriculum based on students' needs. Advantages of the WIAT 3rd edition are: easy to administer, adequately written instructions which are easy to deliver the test and to interpret the data, easy to score, availability of the computer software for score calculations as well as step-by-step instructions for manual scoring is provided. Identify students' areas of strengths and weaknesses, allowing early intervention and implementation of the available resources. Completion time based on the age, grade, and number of subjects administered. The collection of the accurate data is of most importance, due to the undeniable role it plays in molding the IEP to the students' needs and providing the opportunity to succeed in an educational environment and in assisting our students in becoming a productive member of the community. All collected data could help to determine adequate intervention to use and assist in the creation of student-appropriate IEP. Ultimately, we are committed to providing every student with adequate opportunity to succeed in school and become a productive member of society. We, the teachers, must always perform our duty in the best interest of our students, as we are responsible for their successful integration to adulthood. Speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves, for the rights of all who are destitute. Speak up and judge fairly. Defend the rights of the poor and needy. Thus said, we must protect our students and provide them with the best possible education to promote their personal growth. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully you enjoyed it.